This Fast Facts video is about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It was invented by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto and released as open source software in 2009. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Another way to describe this is to say that the Bitcoin blockchain is a public ledger that records Bitcoin transactions. It is implemented as a chain of blocks of information, each block containing a hash of the previous block all the way back up to the genesis block of the chain. A network of communicating nodes running Bitcoin software maintains the blockchain. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. Mining is a record-keeping service done through the use of computer processing power. People or companies who make this happen are called miners. Miners keep the information consistent, complete, and unalterable by repeatedly grouping newly broadcast transactions into a block, which is then broadcast to the network of other computers and is verified by recipient nodes. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, thus linking it to the previous block and giving the blockchain its name. A wallet stores the information necessary to transact Bitcoins. While wallets are often described as a place to hold or store Bitcoins, due to the nature of the system, Bitcoins are inseparable from the blockchain transaction ledger. So a better way to describe a wallet is something that stores the digital credentials for your Bitcoin holdings and allows one to access or spend them. At its most basic, a wallet is a collection of keys. Bitcoin can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimates that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, its high electricity consumption, price volatility, thefts from exchanges, and the possibility that Bitcoin is an economic bubble. Bitcoin has also been used as an investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. After early proof-of-concept transactions, the first major uses of Bitcoin were black markets, such as Silk Road. In 2011, the price started at about 30 cents per Bitcoin and grew to about $5 for the year. Its price has risen and fallen ever since, oftentimes in massive peaks and crashes. For example, prices started at about $998 in 2017. On December 17th of 2017, the price of each Bitcoin had reached an all-time high of over $19,000, causing a large number of Bitcoin holders to become quite wealthy. However, in approximately 1 year, the price per Bitcoin had fallen below $4,000, wiping out much of the wealth that had been created. In March 2013, the Bitcoin blockchain temporarily split into two independent chains with different rules, often called forks. This was to be the first of many times that the Bitcoin blockchain split into different types, each with different rules and objectives. Noteworthy forks have created Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and more. The overwhelming majority of Bitcoin transactions take place on a cryptocurrency exchange rather than being used in transactions with merchants. Delays of about 10 minutes for processing payments through the blockchain can make blockchain use very difficult in a retail situation. Current news articles are constantly mixed on whether or not Bitcoin will crash in value to the point of being worthless, or if it will regain the levels of value it has experienced previously. The simple fact is there is no way to predict what will happen in the future with Bitcoin, and for some people, that is exactly how they want it to be: unregulated, uncontrolled, and available for everyone to use. The value of Bitcoin has inspired the creation of numerous other cryptocurrencies, as well as a vast array of blockchain-based projects which are not based on creating a new form of currency. There have been many news articles, internet forums, and business leaders around the world which have touted the real or imagined benefits of blockchain, and this trend is likely to continue. If you have additional information you would like to share with our viewers about Bitcoin, please leave a comment. Also, if you like getting fast facts about interesting subjects, you can subscribe now to the Fast Facts channel. In addition, if you would like to have a Fast Facts video made about an interesting product or service, contact us through our website, which is listed in the description.